Now that Barf and Belch and Ruff and Tuff are a year old, let's look back at some of the issues they faced and how they progressed. Let's start with the biggest, and that's drowning. The first day we got Barf and Belch, they drowned in less than an inch of water. After CPR and, I hate to admit, mouth to mouth, they made it through. Since then, I learned my lesson to keep them in very shallow water. And same goes with Ruff and Tuff. They are horrible swimmers as well, and I never want to give them a chance to drown. Flipping. Both would take turns flipping over, and were never able to right themselves. Luckily, Barf and Belch grew out of it and could flip themselves over, but on the other hand, Ruff and Tuff, since they have such a low center of gravity and are so wide, they still struggle to this day. They don't do it as much now, but it's still an ongoing concern. Head size. Barf's head is still bigger than Belch's. This only caused an issue once when Barf bit Belch, but other than that, they've been doing pretty well. And then of course Barf and Belch's overall shape. Even with all the proper UVB, their shell still curled up, almost like a spoon. And it was also still pretty soft for their age. I feel like a lot of that had to do with them only eating the black worms, but now that they're eating shrimp and a much varied diet, their shell looks much better. Oh, and of course the last problem they're facing is that both Barf and Belch and Ruff and Tuff are still pretty small for their age. But once again, they have two heads, so let's just be happy they made it to a year.